Our sun's 25th solar cycle is showing more dramatic space weather than astronomers had foreseen. Between 2023 and 2025, the sun is moving into a more active period in its solar cycle, which could bring yet more energetic solar flares, some of which could point towards our planet.
This has been a tumultuous time for our sun. Science Alert reports that it's been extremely active since around mid-January, firing off blasts of energy through coronal mass ejections almost every day. And now the U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's Space Weather Prediction Center says some of those flares are likely going to hit Earth. Experts say that the resulting storms should cause problems with high-frequency radio signals in the far north, and some satellites may need slight corrections after orbiting through the flare's path. In fact, just last month, that's exactly what happened to 49 SpaceX satellites, shortly after they were launched into orbit, knocking them out of the sky completely.
With increased activity, scientists worry about the recurrence of Carrington-level flares that would have a substantial impact on life on Earth and our technology, especially objects in space. If a similar event were to happen today, it could cause trillions of dollars worth of damage, trigger widespread blackouts, and endanger thousands of lives.
When the Carrington event enveloped Earth in the 19th century, technologies of the day were hardly sensitive to electromagnetic disturbances. Modern society, on the other hand, is deeply dependent on sun-sensitive technologies such as GPS, satellite communications, and the Internet. The effect of such a storm on our modern technologies would be tremendous.
However, the Carrington event was not the largest solar storm known to have happened in history. Studies reveal solar superflares, flares erupting from sun-like stars of colossal proportions striking Earth in ancient times that were likely 10 to 100 times greater. A 2021 study found that even more recently, over the course of 4 years, 15 sun-like stars released 26 superflares of 100 times greater magnitude than the Carrington event. On October 3, 2010, during a video conference with the Supreme Master Television staff in Los Angeles, California, our gracious Supreme Master Qinghai, vegan, shared her invaluable insights on solar flares, solar storms, and the spiritual meaning behind these events.
If the flare was bigger and has a very big effect, then what would happen? It could be worse, you know already. We have been fortunate because the other planetary beings, you know, those you call aliens, have tried to help us. It could have been worse. Okay, that's why it's not so bad, all right? The fifth level beings are only there to give us spiritual benefit and upliftment and happiness. But unfortunately, we sometimes abuse it. We are not making ourselves worthy of all this help, you see? So we have all this violent atmosphere because of war, because of hatred, because of mass murdering animal people, etc., etc. Yes, and abusing the environment. We are killing too much. So we attract this kind of flare. You understand? It's yes, us, the humans, who attract it. The flare, okay?
Yes,
and if we continue, it could be worse than that. It's just a warning only. Just a warning. It could be worse. All right?
Yes,
so I always tell everybody, please pay more attention to moral standards. Please be more compassionate. Please be more virtuous, yeah? Love each other. Peace, no war, no killing. Vegan, that is to protect everybody.